Now what I would like to set up the focus and the sensor size. So everybody wants to go for this anamorphic look. Here we can change the focal length, making it wider or more narrow, given this shallow depth of field. There is focus settings. You can pick, always it's set by manual, and you can pick with a picker which object you would like to focus on. Then the lens settings has your settings basically limiting your minimal f-stop, the aperture, squeeze factor, and how many blades in the diaphragm you do have, so you can change the bokeh a little bit. So let's set up it for 1.2 aperture, so we will get really shallow depths of field, and let's make it anamorphic. So you need to go with a squeeze factor of 2, and also you need to look for depths of field squeeze factor, because you need also the anamorphic squeeze on the back. And if we change right now, it works like just the real physical camera. So if you increase the focal length, you'll see just like that the bokeh is actually like stretched. So if I go squeeze and reduce the squeeze factor to 1, we will get the round bokeh. But if we want to go really with this anamorphic look, we need to set it to 2 and squeeze the factor to 2. But in that case, we have like this super wide aspect ratio, but I don't want that. And what I do usually, I change the sensor size by multiplying the sensor height by 1.5, and we will have this wide aspect ratio, a little bit wider than the default one, 16:9. And in that case, obviously, as you increase the sensor size, you need to adjust the focal length. So I think that 55 would be okay. Put the focus on this car, and that's how it's driving. Then looking at this one flying, and just like dropping here. It's doing pretty nice.